Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Miracle Mirror. In today's video, let's see how to prepare a homemade shampoo which is really easy to prepare and 100% herbal, and hence it is safe to use. So let's see how to prepare it. Before we get into the video, please do subscribe by clicking the red subscribe button and also turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. For that, take a handful of Rita, that is soap nuts. Remove the seeds before soaking it. Soak it in about 150 ml of water for 7 to 8 hours. Also, take 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds and soak it in 50 ml of water. So after 8 hours, take a blender and transfer the soaked fenugreek seeds along with the water and blend it into a smooth thick paste, and transfer the paste into a bowl. And now blend the soap nuts along with water. It will form a soapy lathery liquid, and that is what we will need. So just discard the pulpy part by straining it. Into it add 1 tablespoon of triphala powder and mix very well. And now our homemade shampoo is ready to use. Before applying it onto your scalp, just wet your hairs nicely and apply it, starting from the scalp to cover up your hairs, and leave it as it is for 5 minutes, and later on wash it with plain water. I hope this video was helpful for you. If so, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family as well. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care. Bye bye.